Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys, and I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, if you are interested, stay tuned for that, guys, so that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards. Sagittarius, we have Justice in reverse, 5 of moons and 4 of moons. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life in this relationship. So for some of you, whatever this person is doing, their actions or the way they are speaking, it is something you cannot tolerate or something you cannot stand, guys, and you are simply irritated, and it may lead to some kind of arguments or stress, a lot of stress, and maybe they are showing their what to say, they are too selfish and they are not taking your ideas or your feelings into they are not considering all that, guys, and they are behaving very selfishly, so that is causing a lot of stress and pain for you all, guys, Sagittarius, in your relationship. Or it may be a situation in your career. There are people who are really selfish in your work situation, and they are what to say, simply jealous of you. They consider you as their rival, and they are trying really hard to pull you down, make things go against you, guys. But I also see that you are in a very good position in life today, guys. Maybe you have your best people working with you in your career, your work situation. You have a very good team, loyal, dedicated, and they are helping you reach success. Or it may be in your personal life, whatever problems you are facing, you have people supporting you and guiding you every step of the way. So you are really happy with this person, and you are doing the right things, whatever needs to be done to reach success and abundance in your situation, guys. And I also see that you are spending on expensive things. Maybe it may be expensive gifts you are planning on for this person, guys. So, or you are spending for yourself on some expensive things for yourself, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what are the cards specific for your relationship first. We have 8 of Suns. So with this card in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, you have that completion, that sense of completion today, and you are what to say, progressing in a positive way in this relationship, guys, and things are taking there are lots of twists and turns in this relationship, and things are progressing, gaining momentum, and you both are building that understanding with each other, and you are celebrating something. Maybe you are celebrating this love, this connection, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have 6 of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you may see some delays or some kind of worrying situation, guys, but you have people who are giving you guidance, So if you listen to that, you are going to be really successful today, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned and watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. Let's see what it is. What comes of picking flowers? Greed. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time you are getting transformed. Maybe there are some changes happening in this relationship. So whatever is not working for you, maybe in your connection, in your relationship, you are changing or that person is changing and you are seeing a great transformation. Maybe you would have felt that you are unable to overcome that particular situation, find the right solution. But no matter what your challenges are, there are solutions, guys, and you are simply going to reach those solutions for your problems, and things are going to go in a very positive way. And you are, maybe for some of you, because of this connection, you would have isolated yourself from the people you love, your friends and family members. Maybe it is time you get back to them, guys. So you are healing from this connection. Maybe you are making things right. So whatever is not working, you are making those things right, or you are finding the right decision today, guys, for your circumstance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the first card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card for you all. So this is the second card, and this is a crystal spirit, guys. So with this crystal, it just means that in our connection, sometimes we are so much stressed or worried, and we jump to so many conclusions because of those worries, or constantly because we constantly think about our circumstance. But today we need to let go of these worries we have in our heart, guys, and be simple. Go for that simplicity. Slow down, listen to that other person, whatever they are they want to communicate to you, and simply say sorry or yes or I see as a reply. Simply be present. Simply focus your attention on that other person. So when you listen to that person, the words they speak or the messages they send or their body language, you are going to feel calmer, and you will be ready to face whatever challenges you have, guys, with this simplicity, with simple actions. So today you need to go for simple actions instead of reacting too much. You need to see what that other person is trying to communicate to you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card for those who have chosen this card. Fork in the road. So this means that you are in the verge of making some important decision, but you don't know which way to go, what you will choose today. And maybe in this love, maybe in this relationship, whether you want to remain isolated or you want to go deeper and commit to that other person. So this is the time for you to take that responsibility for your desires. Maybe if you love this person, and if it is true love that is the basis of this decision, you can go forward towards marriage or engagement, or be committed to this person deeply, guys. But if your intentions are something else, you need to think and decide whether you want to move away from this person. So you have to make authentic decisions, guys. That is the energy with this card. So when you make authentic decisions for yourself, your life path is going to give you a very true experience, and that will please your heart, give you happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.